Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Mid-century modern design has made a remarkable comeback in recent years, celebrated for its clean lines, functional beauty, and timeless appeal. Originating in the mid-20th century, this design philosophy emphasizes simplicity, integration with nature, and the use of organic forms. When applied to backyard spaces, mid-century modern design creates a harmonious, elegant environment that effortlessly blends the indoors with the outdoors. Here's a comprehensive guide to mastering mid-century modern backyard design, transforming your outdoor space into a timeless retreat. Clean lines and geometric shapes. The hallmark of mid-century modern design is its clean lines and geometric shapes. In your backyard, this can be reflected in the layout of pathways, patios, and garden beds. Opt for rectangular or square shapes for patios and pathways made from concrete, flagstone, or gravel. Use straight, well-defined lines to delineate different areas of your backyard, such as dining spaces, lounge areas, and garden beds. Raised planters and retaining walls with sharp, angular lines can also contribute to the geometric aesthetic. Integration with nature. One of the core principles of mid-century modern design is the seamless integration with nature. This can be achieved by using large, floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass doors that open onto your patio, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. Incorporate natural elements such as wood, stone, and water into your backyard design. Use wooden decking, stone pathways, and natural water features like a pond or a small fountain to create a harmonious, nature-inspired environment. Functional outdoor furniture. Mid-century modern furniture is characterized by its functional design and sleek, simple forms. Choose outdoor furniture that reflects this aesthetic, such as low-profile lounge chairs, minimalist dining sets, and streamlined sofas. Materials like teak, metal, and wicker are ideal for outdoor settings, offering durability and timeless appeal. Look for furniture with tapered legs and clean lines, and avoid overly ornate or bulky pieces. Opt for cushions and upholstery in solid colors or subtle patterns to maintain the understated elegance of the mid-century modern style. Bold and muted color palette. The color palette of mid-century modern design often includes a mix of bold, vibrant hues and muted, earthy tones. In your backyard, you can incorporate these colors through your choice of furniture, accessories, and plants. Use bold colors like mustard yellow, teal, or burnt orange for accent cushions, outdoor rugs, and planters. Balance these with more subdued tones like olive green, taupe, and gray in your hardscaping and furniture. This mix of colors will create a visually dynamic yet harmonious outdoor space. Iconic mid-century accents. To truly capture the essence of mid-century modern design, incorporate iconic accents and decor pieces into your backyard. Consider adding a sculptural fire pit, an Eames-style lounge chair, or a retro-inspired outdoor bar cart. Use decorative elements like sunburst mirrors, abstract sculptures, and geometric pattern textiles to add character and charm to your outdoor space. These accents not only pay homage to mid-century modern design but also serve as conversation pieces that enhance the overall aesthetic. Indoor-outdoor flow. Achieving a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces is crucial in mid-century modern design. Create a cohesive look by using similar materials and colors in both areas. For instance, if you have wooden flooring indoors, extend this material to your outdoor decking. Use consistent color schemes and decor styles to blur the boundaries between your home's interior and exterior. Consider installing large sliding glass doors or folding doors that open up your living space to the backyard, allowing for easy movement and visual continuity. Natural light and open spaces. Maximizing natural light and creating open, airy spaces are fundamental aspects of mid-century modern design. In your backyard, this can be achieved by strategically placing seating areas and dining spaces to take advantage of sunlight throughout the day. Use light, airy fabrics for outdoor curtains or shade sails to filter the light and create a comfortable atmosphere. Avoid overcrowding your backyard with too much furniture or decor, and instead, focus on creating open, uncluttered spaces that invite relaxation and enjoyment. Sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Mid-century modern design often emphasizes sustainability and eco-friendliness, making it an ideal choice for the environmentally conscious homeowner. Incorporate sustainable practices into your backyard design by using recycled or reclaimed materials, installing a rainwater harvesting system, and choosing native or drought-tolerant plants. Use solar-powered lighting to illuminate your outdoor space while minimizing energy consumption. These practices not only benefit the environment but also enhance the natural beauty and functionality of your backyard. Water features and landscaping. Water features such as ponds, fountains, and reflecting pools can add a serene and elegant touch to your mid-century modern backyard. Choose simple, geometric designs that complement the overall aesthetic. For landscaping, opt for a mix of low-maintenance plants like succulents, ornamental grasses, and evergreens. Create structured garden beds with clean lines and incorporate natural materials like gravel and river stones for added texture. A well-maintained lawn or a small rock garden can also enhance the mid-century modern appeal of your backyard. Mastering mid-century modern backyard design involves a careful balance of clean lines, functional beauty, and seamless integration with nature. By focusing on geometric shapes, choosing functional and stylish furniture, and incorporating natural elements and iconic accents, you can transform your outdoor space into a timeless retreat. Embrace the principles of indoor-outdoor flow, natural light, and sustainability to create a backyard that not only reflects mid-century modern elegance but also provides a serene and inviting environment for relaxation and enjoyment. Whether you're hosting gatherings or seeking a peaceful escape, a mid-century modern backyard offers a perfect blend of sophistication and comfort. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!